Welcome, welcome. And we have the car of the day. Let's take a look. We have John right here picking up his Mustang. How do you find it, John?
It's amazing.
Do you like the way it looks?
Yeah, the looks are unbelievable.
And we have the car of the day. This is a 2006 Mustang GT, and we have this color beige. It's actually called Patchman. Beautiful interior. This is a replacement for this beautiful Mustang right here. It has leather already, but it has seen better days. It needs a new replacement. For this particular vehicle, the client decided to keep the rear as is. I don't recommend to do that. It's not much different, guys. Get your whole kit, replace everything, because now the new interior is gonna be cleaner, and the back is being seen already. Dirt is being exposed to the elements, so it's not gonna really look nice as a match. So highly recommending, guys. Never get the two fronts. Get the whole thing. Is almost the same price as the other insane part, so you don't save anything. So let's take this off so we can see what's done there. And there you have it. It shouldn't be better to get the whole kit, but guys, wait until I complete this installation so you can see how beautiful it's gonna be. And again, this is our kit, 2006 Ford Mustang GT. Beautiful interior. You can get it for the Mustang. You can get it for virtually any vehicle. Just go to leathertech.com, upholsterytechnology.com. So we have it with exotics, perforations, different colors and combinations, you name it. Give us a call, like, subscribe, put your questions in the comments. And I know it looks like crap right now. It doesn't look too nice. Wait until we complete this installation so you can see how beautiful our leather kit looks once they are installed in the seats. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, guys, wanna be removing the front seats in the Mustang. This is the 2006, but the same applies to many other different years. So what we need to do is move the brackets back so we can expose the two front bolts, and those guys are 13 millimeters. The back ones are 15 millimeters, and we're gonna use our clip puller to remove the supports for the harness so we can disconnect those. So let's go here and remove these two bolts. These are 13s in the front. Let's switch to the 15. Now let's move this one forward. Now we're gonna have this molding right there, and with this molding, guys, we just have to pry it towards the back, just like so. It came out. Now we go after the two bolts, the two 15s. We have another cover in the other side. Now we're gonna look for the wire harness down there. So all we have to work here, guys, let me show you here how it's gonna go. So right here, guys, this is our plug right here. So we just have to clip this down and it releases. That's the other one. And when we have those released, let's see if I can do this with one hand. No, it doesn't want to. Once we have those, we can release or get the seat out, and that's gonna be everything for the removal. The headrest, you can remove it. It has this one right here, and in the other side there is a little pin, so you can actually see in the other opposite side right here. Once you remove that one, then you don't have to worry about getting it out of the car. And the installation is completed, guys. I want you to see the difference from what you see in the box, out of the box kit. That really looks like crap, I know. And the difference now that is already installed. Now keep in mind, guys, when you do this at home, obviously it's gonna be a little bit more wrinklish, or in the office. What I mean is, if you do it yourself, if you take it to a professional, expect it to be more smooth right away. But it takes time. For sure, over time it's gonna smooth out. Leather tends to shrink. That's the beautiful about leather. It's gonna shrink, and the wrinkles that you see are gonna disappear. You're not even gonna notice that. So don't worry if your kit didn't come out the way that you expected it. It's gonna smooth out eventually. But I want you to see the transformation once it's installed by professionals like us. So that's what I want you to come to San Bernardino if it's possible. If not, keep on ordering your kits. Do it yourself. We give you the support, all the time. We got you covered. Or you can bring it to us and see the results. The transformation is there. Visit leathertech.com or emupholsterytechnology.com, guys. You're gonna be satisfied with the product. Is the best in the market, so it's nothing better right now. So we got the top of the line. Let's take a look at the vehicle because it looks fantastic.
Nice place. Oh, this is
Thank you. Yeah, and there you have it, guys. It's completed. The Mustang interior, beautiful leather. Nothing compared to what you see in the box, guys. Visit leathertech.com. EM Upholstery Technology. Get your interior, get your leather, any color, virtually any car. Make an inquiry and get rid of the ugly, stinky, uncomfortable cloth or your old interior. You need leather. Leathertech.com. EM Upholstery Technology. We have John right here picking up his Mustang. How do you find it, John?
It's amazing.
Do you like the way it looks?
Yeah, the looks are unbelievable.
Well, send your friends. There you have it, guys. Another satisfied client.
Oh, absolutely. 100%. Wow.
Visit leathertech.com or EM Upholstery Technology, guys. Happy clients all the time. Thank you, John.
Yeah.